Construction engineering is a professional discipline that deals with the designing, planning, construction, and management of infrastructures such as roads, tunnels, bridges, airports, railroads, facilities, buildings, dams, and utilities. These technicians are unique such that they are a cross between civil engineers and construction managers. Construction engineering technologists learn the designing aspect much like civil engineers, and construction site management functions much like construction managers. At the educational level, construction managers are not as focused on design work as they are on construction procedures, methods, and people management. Their primary concern is to deliver a project on time, within budget, and of the desired quality. The difference between a construction engineering technologist and a civil engineer is that civil engineering is an engineering discipline. Civil engineering students concentrate more on the design work, which is more analytical, gearing them toward a career as a design professional. This essentially requires them to take a multitude challenging design courses. Construction engineering students take basic design courses as well as construction management courses. This allows them to understand both basic design functions as well as the building requirements needed to design and build today's infrastructures. Depending on which career the construction engineer has chosen to follow, an entry-level design engineer normally provides support to project managers and assist with creating conceptual designs, scopes, and cost estimates for the planning and construction of approved projects. It should be noted that a career in design work does require a professional engineer license, PE. Individuals who pursue this career path are strongly advised to sit for the Engineer in Training exam (EIT) while in college, as it takes 5 years, 4 years in USA, postgraduate to obtain the PE license. Entry-level construction manager positions are typically called project engineers or assistant project engineers. They are responsible for preparing purchasing requisitions, processing change orders, preparing monthly budgeting reports, and handling meeting minutes. The construction management position does not necessarily require a PE license. However, possessing one does make the individual more marketable, as the PE license allows the individual to sign off on temporary structure designs. Construction engineers are problem solvers. They contribute to the creation of infrastructure that best meets the unique demands of its environment. They must be able to understand infrastructure life cycles. When compared and contrasted to design engineers, construction engineers bring to the table their own unique perspectives for solving technical challenges with clarity and imagination. While individuals considering this career path should certainly have a strong understanding of mathematics and science, many other skills are also highly desirable, including critical and analytical thinking, time management, people management, and good communication skills. Job prospects for construction engineers generally have a strong cyclical variation. For example, starting in 2008 continuing until at least 2011 job prospects have been poor due to the collapse of housing bubbles in many parts of the world. This sharply reduced demand for construction, forced construction professionals towards infrastructure construction, and therefore increased the competition faced by established and new construction engineers. This increased competition, and a core reduction in quantity demand, is in parallel with a possible shift in the demand for construction engineers due to the automation of many engineering tasks, overall resulting in reduced prospects for construction engineers. In early 2010, the United States construction industry had a 27% unemployment rate. This is nearly 3 times higher than the 9.7% national average unemployment rate. The construction unemployment rate, including tradesmen, is comparable to the United States' 1933 unemployment rate, the lowest point of the Great Depression, of 25%.